We're a historical activity that has been present here in Florence since 1946, when practically... Pa! I'm calling you! And recognized by the Florentines as, hey, wait, you over here, get a move on. And I often need... No, you have to come in like this. We're a historical business, a heritage of the Florentines since 1946, and we've been producing our gelato exactly as then. We only use the highest quality ingredients for our recipes.
Yes, it's true. You know, sometimes I meet nostalgic customers who proudly tell their children, "You see, I used to come here when I was your age. Your granddad would take me here." Did I say it right?
Well done, Dad. It all started with milk. My grandparents had a farm with 60 cows on the Florentine hills. They would sell milk from door to door. Later, they opened a gelato parlor in 1946, offering 8 flavors. Then, my father set up our current gelato parlor in 1974, and I'm the 3rd generation. This is Stracciatella with tonka. Do you know tonka? It's this. It has a very particular smell. I was born in a gelato parlor. I was still in swaddling bands when my mom brought me along, so I guess I was weaned with gelato. Gelato can make people meet, because unlike the bar where you sit down, you can enjoy gelato standing up, and finally, with a cone in your hand and a phone in your hand. This year's taste is called Stracciatella Double T. Why double T? In order to give flavor to the chocolate, I used a spice called tonka. It's a very fragrant spice from Brazil, obtained from fair trade cultivation. We've been doing this for over 70 years, but we've never gotten bored of it. My gelato resembles me.